In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom favicon to a Hostinger website. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your website name. Even though it's a small detail, it helps your site look more polished, professional, and recognizable. If you want visitors to quickly identify your website when they have multiple tabs open, adding a custom favicon is a simple but useful step. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Websites section and click on it. This will show you the list of websites connected to your account. From there, find the website you want to update and select Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can manage different parts of your site's appearance and settings. After the editor opens, look for the More option in the menu. Click on that to reveal additional settings and tools. Inside this area, select General Settings. This section contains some of the core customization options for your website, including the favicon setting. Once you're in General Settings, you'll see the favicon option. Click on it to begin adding your custom icon. At this point, you can upload the image you want to use. Choose Upload File, then locate the favicon image on your device and select it. Make sure you're using an image that is clear and simple, since favicons are displayed at a very small size. A clean design usually works best, so it remains visible and recognizable in the browser tab. After the file has finished uploading, review it to make sure it looks correct. If everything is good, click Save Changes. This is the final step that applies the new favicon to your website. Once saved, your new favicon should begin appearing on your site. Keep in mind that sometimes browsers cache older versions of website assets, so if you don't see the new icon immediately, try refreshing the page, opening the site in a private browser window, or clearing your browser cache. That can help the updated favicon appear faster. And that's it. By going to your Hostinger account, opening your website editor, selecting More, then General Settings, uploading your image in the favicon section, and saving your changes, you can quickly give your website a more branded and professional look.